Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm diving into a platform that has been making waves in the print-on-demand world, Printify. If you've ever dreamed about running an online store without dealing with inventory, shipping or huge upfront costs, this might be the game changer you've been waiting for. So what exactly is Printify? In a nutshell, it's a print-on-demand platform that connects online sellers like you and me. With a massive network of printing partners across the globe, you create a design, pick a product, and once someone places an order, Printify handles the printing and shipping. It's that simple. With over 1300 customizable products, the variety here is seriously impressive. Whether you are into fashion, home decor, accessories, or even pet gear, there's a ton to choose from. What stood out for me, first off, the flexibility. You get to choose from multiple print providers based on things like location, cost, customer reviews, and production speed. That means if you want faster shipping for US customers, you can go with a domestic provider. If you're targeting Europe, no problem. There are options for that too. They've got over 100 printing locations worldwide, and according to Printify, about 90% of orders are fulfilled and shipped within 2 business days, which is huge. That's pretty fast for print on demand. And I have to give some props to the team behind the platform. Printify was founded by James Bardigans in 2015, and it came out of a really relatable problem: being stuck with unsold inventory. The whole idea was to flip the traditional model. Don't print the product until someone actually buys it. What about quality and pricing? Honestly, I was impressed. Printify doesn't print the products themselves. They rely on a global network of partners, but they do a great job of vetting those partners. I've tested a few samples and the print quality has been solid. Plus, because you are not paying upfront or holding inventory, your profit margins can be really strong. The interface is user-friendly, especially if you are using Shopify, Etsy or Wix. Integration is seamless and designing products is pretty intuitive. All in all, Printify is a great option if you're looking to start a low-risk e-commerce business, or if you are a creator wanting to monetize your audience with custom merch. The scalability, the global reach, the automation, it all works in your favor. If you're ready to give Printify a try, I'll drop a link in the description box. The best part is you can get started for free and there is no need of credit card. So if you click on get started for free, you will be able to create your account and start with Printify. You can go ahead with your Google account or just enter your email ID and password and sign up. So let me go ahead and try it for the first time just to show you how it works. So here you see I've quickly signed up, and this is what you get when you sign up. They ask you a few questions so that they are totally on page with you what you want to do. Welcome, what brings you to Printify? To guide and support you to a successful online business, please let us know what you are looking to achieve. Now from here you can just go ahead and select whatever you want. So I'm going to select I'm new to selling online and want to start, because that's what most of the people are here joining Printify for. So let's go with this. And what best describes you? Artist, designer, content creator, business, individual, agency, NGO. For me, I'll go ahead with content creator because I use social media a lot. What social media do you use? I use Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn. These are the 4 platforms that I use the most. So let's go and click on next. How many social media followers do you have? What do you have experience with? Designing products, search engine optimization. Just select whatever it is relevant to you. Do you already know where you'll sell your products? Yes, I have a sales channel in mind. No, I don't know where to sell. I'm exploring different options. Let's select that. Now, where would you like to sell? You can select from here the countries, or simply go with I want to sell globally. How did you hear about us? Just tell them and complete. If you sell or plan to sell products in the EU, it's essential to meet the requirements of the General Product Safety Regulation. Let's skip it for now. Now this is what the interface looks like. From here you can connect your Etsy store or Shopify, create your product. You can create a product from here clothing, apparel, drinking and kitchen, home decor, kids and babies. Just select whatever applies to you. I'll pick sportswear. Here you see, let's start designing the best products for sportswear. Men's sports warm-up hoodie. If you're aware with the platform called Teespring, it is pretty much like that, but better. It takes less time for your customers to receive the products you create here. The products are shipped in 2 business days, whereas with Teespring, it takes a lot of time for the products to reach the customers. That's why sometimes people don't order your products. Let's go ahead with this for now. And ship from USA. Here you can see, you can select the location from where you want to ship. So if you want to sell in USA, select USA and accordingly to your location. From here you can also select the currency. Men's sports warm-up hoodie. You can simply check the provider info or start designing. Miami sublimation. You can click here and start designing. You can take the tour or explore yourself. I'm be exploring myself. This is the front side, this is the back side, right sleeve, left sleeve, right hood, left hood, all areas, view only. Now you can select any of these and make the designs as you want. For example, let me pick the front side. On the front side, I would like to, you can add text here from here. Select the font you want. You can even go to your library and upload products and images and use here, or simply choose from graphics. Pick any graphic. For now, let me pick this one just to show how it works. You can increase or decrease the size by using these handles. And from here you see the width, height, and when it's done you can save the product. Wow, imagine this in real life. After that you just need to connect your store and publish the product. Since I'm just showing you giving you the idea how it is going to look like on the front end, when you try it, you can connect to Etsy, see other channels, Shopify, Printify, pop-up, Squarespace, Wix. Use any of these with easy setup and store creation tools. Now you can simply connect your Shopify if you want. You can also go ahead with Etsy. Printify pop-up is there as well. For example, let's go ahead with connect Shopify. Just give your Shopify URL and connect, and your Printify will be connected to Shopify store. So that's how it works. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll answer all your questions. Thank you.